In today's video, we will show you how you can gift shares online from your Zerodha Demat account to a family member's Zerodha Demat account, such as your parents, siblings, or spouse, with the help of CDSL Easiest. This entire process is completely online and paperless, and you can gift your shares to any family member's Zerodha account in just a few minutes. So let's see the complete process of how to gift shares online from Zerodha to Zerodha with the help of CDSL Easiest. So first of all, we need to register our Zerodha account from which we are gifting shares for CDSL Easy and Easiest. For this, we have to go to the CDSL Easiest website. Type CDSL Easiest in the web browser to search and open the link to the CDSL website. After reaching the login page of CDSL Easiest, you will see the option to register for Easy there. Click on it. Now in the next screen, enter the 16-digit Demat account number of that Zerodha Demat account from which you are gifting shares. After this, in the password field, enter your PAN card number and then the date of birth in DDMM format. First enter your full PAN card number, then enter the date and month of your date of birth. After that, click on Continue. Now an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile and email. Enter it and click on Continue. After that, set the username and password for your CDSL Easy account. You will have to remember both these things. After clicking on Continue, your registration for CDSL Easy will be completed. Now we will register for CDSL Easiest. For this, log in to your CDSL Easy account. Log in by entering your username and password. After logging in, you have to click on the miscellaneous menu on the home page as you can see on the screen. In the miscellaneous menu, you will see the option of Upgrade BOID to Easiest. Click on it. In the next screen, select the Trusted Account PIN option and then press the Submit button. Now in the next screen, in the Add Trusted BOID section, enter the Zerodha Demat account number of the family member to whom you're gifting shares. After typing the Demat account number, click on Submit. After clicking on Submit, click on OK. After this, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile and email. Enter it and click on OK. There, your registration process in Easiest is complete. You can see the message saying the upgrade process is complete on the screen. It may take 2 to 3 days to upgrade to Easiest. Wait until then. When your registration for CDSL Easiest is completed, a mail will come from CDSL stating that you have upgraded to Easiest. Also, you will receive a 6-digit PIN in a separate mail which you will need when you transfer shares. If you did not get the PIN, how to make it yourself is explained at the end of the video. As soon as you get the mail for the PIN, change your PIN immediately. To change the PIN, log in to the CDSL Easiest account. After logging in, go to the miscellaneous menu. Here you will find the option of Change PIN. Click on it and set your new PIN by entering the old PIN received in the mail. Here we have changed our PIN too, and now the last step is left. In the very last step, we have to add our family member's Zerodha Demat account as a beneficiary, just like we add a beneficiary before transferring money. So for this, log into your CDSL Easiest account. After logging in, click on the miscellaneous menu. Go to BU linking in miscellaneous and after that click on BU linking setup. Let's go. Now select the CDSL option at the top in the next screen. In the Buyer BOID column, enter the Zerodha Demat account number of the family member to whom shares are to be gifted. Also enter the PAN card number of the same family member in Buyer PAN. Remember, do not enter your own Demat account number and PAN card number here by mistake. After entering both details of your family member, click on Submit. Now your family member has been added as a beneficiary. Once again, click on the miscellaneous menu and go to BO linking, and after that click on BO linking enquiry and delink. The beneficiary's status will currently show pending. Now we will authenticate it. Just in a few minutes, a verification link will be sent to your registered email ID. Click on that link and open it in the browser. After the link opens in the browser, first enter your PAN card number and after that enter your Demat account number. Do not enter the family member's detail here by mistake. Here you have to verify yourself. After this, click on Submit. Now tick on your account and click on Generate OTP. After this, enter the OTP and accept. After this, click on OK. There, your family member to whom you are gifting shares is verified. To confirm, once again click on the miscellaneous menu and go to BO linking, and after that go to BO linking enquiry and delink. Now you can see that the beneficiary is verified, and now you can gift shares to them. So, let's start the process of gifting shares. First of all, log in to your CDSL Easiest account. After logging in, go to Transaction in the menu options. After this, select the Setup option and then click on Bulk Setup. In the next screen, in Execution Date, select the date on which shares are to be transferred. After this, in Counter BOID, select your family member Zerodha Demat account from the list which we had just added. Leaving all other options, select NA in Entity Identifier. Let's go. Now by clicking on the plus button, we will select the shares we want to gift. By clicking on the Account ISIN button, click on the ISIN of the companies whose shares you want to gift. After this, enter the quantity of shares to be transferred. After this, in the Reason for Trade column, you have to select the option of gift. After this, click on OK. After selecting the shares, now click on Submit. As soon as you click on Submit, a transaction ID will be generated. Click on OK. On the next screen, you can see that your transaction has been executed. Now in the final step, you have to verify this transfer. For this, click on the Verify button. Now in the next screen, select your transaction ID and click on the Commit button, as you can see on the screen. Now on the screen, you will be asked to enter OTP. Submit by entering the OTP received on the mobile number and email address, and after this you will be asked to enter the share transfer PIN. Here enter the same PIN which you received via email and which we changed later. If you do not know the PIN, at the end of the video we'll tell you the complete process on how to make a PIN. As soon as you enter the PIN, your share transfer process will be completed. On the next screen you can see that authenticated successfully is written, meaning the share transfer is complete. If you have entered today's execution date, your shares will be credited to the other person's Zerodha Demat account tomorrow. And if you have selected tomorrow's execution date, then shares will be credited the day after tomorrow. Do keep one thing in mind, that there must be at least 100 rupees in your Zerodha Demat account, because the charge for gifting or transferring shares will be deducted from your Demat balance only, which is around 23 rupees. If the balance in the Demat account is 0, your transfer will be rejected. You can add balance after transferring shares. So in this way, with the help of CDSL Easiest, you can gift shares online from your Zerodha Demat account to your family member Zerodha Demat account. If you want to gift shares to any other family member's Zerodha Demat account, then first go to the miscellaneous option and add their Demat account in Edit Trusted Account. After that, add them as a beneficiary and verify, as explained in this video. After that, you can transfer. So let's now tell you about how to create the PIN that has to be entered to transfer shares. If you also haven't received the PIN on email after upgrading to CDSL Easiest or have forgotten the PIN, then follow this step-by-step guide and make your own PIN instantly. First of all, we will log into our CDSL Easiest account. Log into your account by typing your username and login password. After logging in, first of all, you have to click on the miscellaneous menu option. After clicking on the miscellaneous option, you have to click on Edit Profile in it, as you can see on the screen. Scroll down a bit in the next screen. Here you have to select your new security question and set your answer. Select any question, type your answer and click on the Submit button to proceed. Now 3 separate OTPs will be received on your registered mobile number and email ID. So first enter the 3-digit OTP received on the mobile number, and after this enter the 3-digit OTP received on the email ID. After entering both OTPs together, click on Submit. So there, we have reset our security question answer. When you create your new PIN, you will have to submit the answer to this security question for verification. So let's create our new CDSL Easiest PIN now. To create a new PIN, click on the miscellaneous option in the CDSL account. After this, select the Reset PIN option. Now type the answer to your security question on the next screen. In Confirm Answer, type your answer again and click on Submit. There, your new PIN has generated. In a short while, you will receive a new 6-digit PIN on your registered email ID. Now we will change this PIN that we have received and make a PIN of our choice which we can remember
easily. You can keep this pin if you want, but if you change it, it will be better. To change the pin, click on the miscellaneous option in the CDSL account. After this, select the change pin option as you can see on the screen. After this, in the next screen, enter the pin received via mail in the old pin field and set your new pin. Remember, your new pin should be in capital letters and numbers. You do not have to use any special characters. After entering the new pin, click on submit. There, your new pin is ready. Now you can use this pin for authentication while transferring shares. In the future, you can follow this same process to make your new pin. If you liked the video, then like and share. Also do subscribe to our channel All Digital Tricks.